And it's no surprise that it chipped off a nice chunk of mesquite there on that long grain. But as you've come to expect, I'm going to fix that with a little CA glue. I had to crawl around under the bench to find the piece, but the repair is quick and easy. Anytime I can, I'll pre-fit a chip to make sure that it fits perfectly where it needs to go, and then just put a little reference line like that so that I can quickly line it up once the CA glue is on it, because I've only got about 3 seconds to position once the accelerator and the CA glue meet. Just like before, I put accelerator on the piece, CA glue on the blank, and I generally make the choice of which piece gets accelerator and which piece gets the CA glue, just based on the handling characteristics of the piece. Because of the brittle nature of this mesquite and the delicate nature of the chip, I'm putting a little extra CA around the outside to hold it in place a little more firmly, because I'm going to hit it with that same flush trim router bit and it's going to want to yank it off there again. And you can see how firmly that CA glue is set up in just seconds. I switch the position of the camera and the block in the vise so that I get a nice, slow, steady, consistent feed rate using the flush trim bit to clean this chip up. And I think I'll try a little bit of climb cutting to lower the ability of the bit to pull this piece off again. Climb cutting is running the router in the reverse direction, which minimizes the pull on the piece, but also requires a steady hand to keep the router and bit from running out of control. What do you think of them apples? Like I said before, when I'm done with this block, that repair will be invisible. Another thing that a repair like this proves is that a glue joint is always stronger than the natural wood itself, because the natural wood chipped off and the glued on piece didn't.